AI promises to be one of the best tools for small business owners, solopreneurs, and marketers for creating really great marketing content. It can save time, create better content, cut marketing costs, but it takes a heck of a lot of time to figure out. And maybe you've already started. Maybe you've been looking at different tools and it's easy to start feeling overwhelmed by that. So, what I want to do is so that you can realize the benefit of AI for your business, I'm inviting you to join me in this half day workshop. We're going to get hands on and I'm going to walk you through how to create prompts for ChatGPT to create content. I'm going to provide you with some prompts and we're going to talk about how to use it. How do you train it so that it's creating content that sounds like you? But we're not just going to leave it with how to. We're also going to talk about what type of content do you even create so that your buyers are connecting and engaging so that it's making it easier for them to find you, to find your website online because you're creating the right content. So we're going to take a strategic as well as a very tactical look. This is interactive. You'll get to ask questions. We're keeping the size of the group fairly small so that way there's lots of opportunity for engagement and interaction. And I'm guaranteeing satisfaction. So if at the end of the workshop you don't feel like you're getting the value that you were looking for, I will gladly give you your money back. I want to make sure that you walk away with the tools, the skills that you need so that you can realize all those benefits, saving time, getting better content, and ultimately finding that this is a tool that's going to help you grow your business. Look forward to seeing you at the workshop.